Question number 1. What is the unit of angular velocity? Correct answer is option D, radian per second. Question number 2. What is the unit of momentum? Right answer is option A, kg meter per second. Question number 3. What is the rate of doing work called? Right answer is option B, power. Question number 4. Which law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? Right answer is option C, Newton's third law of motion. Question number 5. What is the rate of change of velocity called? Right answer is option B, acceleration. Question number 6. What is the process of heat transfer in solids called? Right answer is option B, conduction. Question number 7. What is the phenomenon of splitting white light into 7 colors called? Right answer is option A, dispersion. Question number 8. What is the main component of the sun's energy? Correct answer is option B, hydrogen. Question number 9. Which branch of physics deals with motion and forces? Right answer is option A, mechanics. Question number 10. Which law gives the relationship between pressure and height in fluids? Right answer is option B, Pascal's law. Question number 11. What type of energy is used in solar cells? Right answer is option C, light energy. Question number 12. What is the center of mass of a body called? Right answer is option A, center of gravity. Question number 13. What is the product of mass and velocity called? Right answer is option D, momentum. Question number 14. What is the measure of the disorder of a system called? Right answer is option C, entropy. Question number 15. What is the main component of solar panels? Right answer is option A, silicon. Question number 16. What type of waves are used for radar communication? Right answer is option D, microwaves. Question number 17. What type of electromagnetic waves are used in medicine to kill cancer cells? Right answer is option B, gamma rays. Question number 18. Which electromagnetic waves have the shortest wavelength? Correct answer is option D, gamma rays. Question number 19. What is the energy stored in an atom called? Right answer is option C, nuclear energy. Question number 20. Who discovered the nucleus of an atom? If you know the correct answer of this question, then write the correct answer on the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Education World.